what you just looked at is a roof rack system from 50 years ago. That roof rack was originally made for the Volvo Amazon, and you're gonna see it in KLCC Center Court 25th of September, where Thule from Sweden flew in this set. I don't know how many they still have, but they do not make them anymore. And that is an actual set from 1950s to be fitted on this beautiful Volvo Amazon. Alright, I'll show you the cars later on. This place is a place where they refurbish classic Volvos. Alright, let me show you the kind of work that they do. I'll give you a peep on the interior. Look at it. Immaculate. Alright, and this is rare because this is two-door. Ini kurang kan? Rare kan? Yeah. Two-door. Yeah, and that's a four-door. And that belongs to the owner, Joe. He runs this place, Unicar Auto Works. So if you are thinking of getting a classic Volvo, not knowing where to send it to, you can come here at Jalan Ipoh, Unicar Auto Works, and show you the stuff that he does. He refurbishes these old Volvo Amazons, P1800s, 940s, even old Jaguars. Look how beautiful it is. Lovely. So that's the roof rack system, all the way from Sweden, from 50 years ago. You know what's amazing? These cars, right, they predate the plastic era. Plastic is only invented in about the 40s and 50s. So throughout the entire car, you see metal, you see steel, you see aluminium. Yes, this is aluminium. Volvo uses aluminium to build their grills because it's softer than metal. It's kinder to the person who didn't cross the road well. Alright? And the Amazon has got to be one of the most beautiful classics. And they're not very expensive. Why? Because there are plenty of them. These cars are so popular back then. There are many of them around. Look at this glass. Who made these things anymore? This is even rarer. This is a wagon version, an estate version. Look at how beautiful the finishing is. So he said this one is 1 month away from hitting the streets. See all these. Now let me tell you this. If you're a collector of these Volvo Amazons, don't worry, you're not alone, because all around the world they are extremely popular and they still make new parts for the Amazon. There are new parts. You'll be able to buy new dashboards, new stuffs all around the car. It's a global phenomenon. Okay, look at this. This is a beautiful estate. And one thing I want to show you guys, look at this hinge. Just look at this hinge for the bonnet. It's able to self-balance itself, even though this is extremely heavy. I can imagine how heavy this is. You know, these predates all the advanced alloy era. Look at how chunky this is, the mechanism. But one thing, from looking at this whole part and then looking at this whole part, you can tell one thing. They will never break. Okay, these things will last forever. Mechanical, completely mechanical compared to your gas trucks, right? Nothing will break, nothing can break here, apart from tightening the screws once in a while. Look at that. Göteborg. Yeah, you see this spelling? G-O-T-E-B-O-R-G instead of Gothenburg. This is pronounced as Göteborg, right? Look at that, new parts for the engine bay. Now, we finished the installation. The car looks so much better with the racks, right? It looks so nice. Look at that. Can't believe they found it, you know. They'll be able to find these parts. So So nice. Let me give you a glimpse of the inside. So you'll be able to look at this car come 25th of September, center court of KLCC, where Horizon, Tula, Volvo is doing a roadshow. Lovely. Alright, for those of you who already signed up as an Evo Club member, who already got your Evo Club cards, membership card, you only get your membership card if you join the Enduro this round, not the normal sign up member, but if you already got your cards, you can show your card and you get a special deal from your purchase. Right? This is the reason why people want to join Evo and to be upgraded to a premium member. So those who join Enduro, immediately you are a premium member because you got your card. These are the things that we try to benefit you guys. Alright? Beautiful. Oh my god. They just look splendid. Okay? So do come by on 25th of September. Cheers guys.